Well, welcome ladies and gentlemen back to another vlog here today. If you're new to the channel, my name's Harrison. I'm from Pop Dynamite, and today we actually have not a special guest or a new guest. I mean, he's always going to be here, but it's my brother Lachlan. So today we're jumping in my car for the moment. We may need to switch cars at a later point, just depending. But yeah, so this is Lockie, and today he doesn't really know, but he has an inkling. We're looking at TVs today because okay. Essentially, our TV died last night. There's another car! Okay, it's turning. It's okay. We're just gonna keep rolling.
There's like
Who cares?
No.
There's never this many cars. It's crazy. Anyway, so essentially our TV died last night and had some awesome spasms. We won't show you it. We'll definitely show you the old TV. And so finally, we're gonna get to upgrade the parents' TV to something decent and good looking. And I can't wait. So yeah, we're gonna go now. Basically, we made it to the store now. We're gonna go inside, have a look at some TVs and pick one out. More than likely buy it. Sadly, I'm not gonna be able to bring you guys in for the whole experience of going in the shop because it's just a bit too much work and it's a little bit busy. So we're just gonna go in, find something, and yeah, see you in a minute. So basically, we kind of stuffed up. The BMW. Well, that was a noise. The BMW really ain't equipped to carry a TV, which we learned pretty quick. However, the purse, as you can hear, of the Hyundai Elantra, it's got a big booty. Should be able to hold. So, hopefully, see you back and yeah, with the TV out. But time to redo the driving montage. And go! God, so bright. So we're back again. Yeah, Brianna's driving now. Automatics are, oh wait, get my hand out of it. Automatics are interesting, I've learnt. And so yeah, she kind of kicked me out from driving. Don't know why. I'm a great driver. Seriously, great. But yeah, we had to go back because we got the receipt. So now we got the receipt. We're going back again to go get the TV. God, right. It doesn't like turning left, this car. Cue the montage! So we are back and we have the TV now. As you can see here, we got the, well, Lockie, which one did we get?
The 55-inch OLED 4K.
By who?
Samsung?
LG, it says LG right there. You saw it in the store, dude. Come on.
I'm not paying attention to that.
Yeah, you do that a lot. He doesn't listen at all. But anyway, we're going to show you the TV that we were upgrading from. So if you come over this way, you can see the old as Panasonic TV. And the whale in front of it. But you can see our old as Panasonic TV that we had. And then the makeshift LG TV over here that we were using last night to attempt to get by.
Brought to you by Grandma.
Yeah, literally. It's our grandma's TV we stole. And now we get this. We're finally upgrading in life to a cool TV, and I cannot wait. We even got WebOS on this, so we can play like YouTube and Netflix and everything straight from the TV, which by the way, parents over there don't even know. So we're gonna start sniffing this and getting this bad boy open, maybe. This might not be able to handle it.
Why don't you try going through one layer of the plastic instead of 2 layers of the plastic?
That's a lot of work. We're gonna have to do more work.
Lucky you're the brains, Brianna.
More work.
4 hours later.
Alright, I got it. Boom. Should really invest in some better knives.
Or just better box opening skills.
Okay. What do we got here? We got random stuff to open first. Ooh, it's a magic remote. Very magical. Got a cool as remote. Oh, more from your OHL. Stuff. It's boring. Don't need that. What else we got? Fittings for stuff. Cable. Oh, that has a cable management bracket. That's cool. Screws. That'll be your job. Batteries and some random clicky thing. Flag. This. I have no clue what it is.
That looks like another cable management.
It looks like the backplate for the TV. But we have it. That's cool.
That's very impressive. What's the actual
You've all been waiting for. Just kidding, it's cardboard. Yeah, that's how thin it is. Come over and have a look.
I think I just got shot.
This is how thin it is for the thickness of the box. It's redonk. Look how thin. Look how big. It's ridiculous. It's redonkulous. Mount thing that we'll need. Now time for the peel. Ooh yeah. Ooh, child.
60s music.
Things gonna get easier here. A nice clean pull. As it comes off. Okay, get that out of here. Why is this stuck on here? Why you do this?
Stuck the manual.
Why is it underneath? Go on. Thank you. It's power efficient. Alright. We're plugged in, the remote is on. I don't know if it's going to work out of the box, but that's it there.
Did you put the batteries in the right way?
I think so.
A few moments later.
So we're gonna actually turn on the TV now and bask in 4K OLED glory. I pressed the button. Oh, there it goes. WebOS is lit. Now we can pair the remote. I'm pressing the OK button, it's not working.
Did you actually put the batteries in right?
Yes.
A few moments later.
Actually, no, it's not. I hate you all. See, you press the middle button and it works. Nothing else happens. Environment. We're at home. We're not in the store.
It's already highlighted.
But
No.
I don't know. I'm just looking at it to see they don't change.
It's a red dot in the middle.
What?
It's
Isn't
a
that
red dot.
as well?
No, that's a
No.
black
You
dot.
ain't
Okay, well I'm colorblind. Jeez, y'all are mean. Hey, there we are. We're testing out our YouTube videos on the new TV. Oh god, that looks terrible. Our internet's way too slow for 4K. We don't have audio at the moment, we'll fix that later, but I think we're gonna kind of end the video here showing off the cool clarity Not exactly 4K because I don't think our internet can handle that, but it looks good. So yeah. Now we're gonna get to enjoying this new TV. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.